have to rerun it at some point now.
Probably.
Yeah. Uh-oh. We got the E92 pulling up. My twin M3. This is a surprise to me. I didn't know Bryce was making a special appearance. Jeez. Yeah, it sounds good.
It's so loud, like too loud, dude.
God damn.
Like especially when you're driving.
Yeah, that thing is crazy, bro.
8500.
Sheesh. Stock?
Yeah. Once I tune it, go up to 8700.
Holy sh.
Yeah.
What's up, bro? How's it going?
Good.
See
all
what
the
this
blue
thing could
cars
do.
out.
Yeah, all the blue cars out. That's the indigo blue, right?
Yeah.
And then we got the two Le Mans blues. You guys see the previous generation Le Mans blue right here. The M3 obviously, and then the M4. That E92 is so loud. Stay tuned because I might have some parts coming on the way for this car here. You know, this thing is a little too stock for me right now. So they were talking about brake boosting, you know. I'm not gonna try that in this one. Like I said, I'm new to this platform. I've never had a turbo vehicle before, so I'm just gonna do the regular rolls. Maybe eventually we'll try the brake boosting and all that to get a little advantage. All right, we are getting close to entering Mexico. So I didn't really plan on getting any content in today with the E92 M3, but since we're here, you know what I'm saying, we might as well. Drop a comment down below. What do you guys think? Who's gonna take it, the E92 M3 or the M4? Obviously, I'm pretty sure the M4 will take it, but how close do you guys think it'll be? Do you think it'll be by a landslide? What? Let me know. Drop a comment down below. All right, now the E92. God damn, that's loud. This side? God damn. Gosh, flying everywhere. Hey, that M3, that E92 is not a bad matchup, to be honest. get my exhaust on this thing, you guys need to stay tuned. It makes me not want to downshift in this car hearing this M3. Like, I feel embarrassed when I do downshifts. The M4 sounds great stock, you know, but it's just way too tame for my taste. Listen to this thing. All right, I'm sure he'll give you guys another example. Okay, there's that. And there's mine. Kind of embarrassing. At least the turbo sounds good, but I don't think you guys could hear that. Camera audio does not do these turbos justice whatsoever. Dang. Dude, I was not expecting that thing to be that quick.
Yeah, top end it pulls, dude.
Yeah,
seriously.
bro. Like, honestly.
No, because literally it's like that's the next motor they made in an M3. It went from the S65 to the S55, so it's like realistically that should make way more power, but it has more potential.
Yeah, this thing is sick though, man. It like, you guys had a good ass run.
Yeah, no, it was a super good run. It's better that that's manual. It's a better run versus these two cars.
Oh yeah.
Because like, if it was DCT, it just obviously a bit, because like we can kind of like get a little close to you when you're shifting, and then you just pull away. Also, it's just so distracting. The car's so loud. It's like
this car is loud
right?
as hell, bro.
Like when I'm racing next to you, is it like stupid loud? Like that's all you can
loud
hear?
as bro. It sounds hella good though. Like, I was embarrassed to do a downshift with this thing
because you can't really hear it, right?
You can't hear shit. I'm like, bro, what the I need that exhaust. But yeah, those were good runs. Obviously, you guys seen the M3 kept up pretty good with this. The M4 got the M3 on the top end. It was kind of like, it was close.
How far were you guys like
my boy, I
Don't expose me like that.
Huh?
I said don't expose my brakes like that.
God damn, bruh. I thought yours was loud.
That's me beat.
That's a huge difference. Big difference.
No, your car's louder, dude. I've also never heard my car from outside, so.
God damn, it's too loud.